Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So this is my company name Inrisco Inside. I just registered it. So now I am exploring the work and very soon you will have website and all. So today topic about is because we frequently listening the word save file, GeoJSON and GeoPackages. Most of the name we have heard is save file, right? So, so before going to the save file, because we already using save file in many projects or many videos. So now I am talking about the GeoJSON. In between that, I will talk about save file and geo packages also. But main theme is GeoJSON. So what is GeoJSON is a text-based format for storing and sharing geographic data. And actually, it is way to represent maps using plain JSON. We have heard that the same structure used in uh, web APIs. So mainly the GeoJSON stored geometry means it's a GIS data we say, point, line, polygons, and attributes is whatever, names, ID, groundwater status, whatever you have, word boundary or whatever. So you can see the JSON has this kind of structure. You can see type, each feature, properties, and it's a you can write in a plain text. So what I already mentioned that point, line, polygon we can store like points mean wells, rainfall station, temples, hospital, and line mean river, canal, sewer, road, stormwater road, right? Polygon block means those district and catchment area. So why GeoJSON is important? This is the thing. So work perfectly with modern tools. Basically, we can use that in Google Earth Engine and many web maps, Leaflet, Mapbox, Python, means GeoPandas or other libraries. And second is it's a single file like save file. If you use save file, you have seen that we have a lot of other files .shp, .dbf, .shn, .prg. But in GeoJSON, only one file. So because if there is one file means it is easy to manage, share and upload, right? Otherwise, in this case, you have to you have to share all. If one missing, then it's a problem. Third is human readable means it can be open in Notepad, understand, and it's very easy. Save file is binary and unreadable, right? We have seen that. And no field name limitation. So there is no limitation. In save file, we have to mention 10, 15 like that. But in GeoJSON, no such uh, restrictions. So it is for the cloud workflow. It is very ideal like Google Earth Engine API and web dashboard. So, of course, these are the, but sometimes uh, we also should know that when we should not use them. I'm saying should not use means you can, but we have to, we should have those skills, but we have to understand first what level of skills we have uh, by using GIS files, right? Or any type of files. So, so we have to very practical sometime, like situation. If very large data set, then GeoPackage is the good one. High performance GIS work means Shapefile and GeoPackage, GPKG. And complex data bases we have to use PostGIS, right? We use that. So what GeoJSON work is? So it is bridge between desktop GIS and cloud processing. So this is the difference. So bottom line is that you GeoJSON when uploading to Google Earth Engine, sharing data, doing web and GIS integration. Not all the time it is good to use GeoJSON. Sometimes our requirement is different, right? So we'll come to that in later. So if we compare then with this GeoJSON shapefile and GeoPackages, field type is text, multiple files in shapefile and single database file in GeoPackage. File need one, shapefile 4 to 8 file, here is one. Maximum field name unlimited, but in shapefile 10 characters only. GeoPackages unlimited, speed, medium, fast, and fast plus scalable. File size larger, medium, and efficient. So you can see GeoJSON has larger size field file size also. Shape file has medium and few packages efficient. So you have to think about that also, what kind of storage or what kind of system we have. So accordingly, we can use this. Supporting multiple layers? No, no, but geo packages, yes. So best for web and Google Earth Engine. Shapefile is legacy GIS, we all know, and GeoPackage modern GIS project. So this is the comparison. You should understand that. So you have to keep when you start practicing, then you will have better than you know this. You may have more fields also. So what should be the file structure we are talking about? These are the say general say file means we have SSP, DBF, SSX, and PRJ. If one file is missing, then it may break. So like it's have attributes is like block name, GW status, Muradabad, or whatever. So GeoJSON as single file, and it structured like this. Geo packages, like a mini database can store multiple layers, right? So you can block groundwater, status, rainfall, geometry, whatever you have. So you can store multiple layers. So when to use what? It's a real advice. GeoJSON is for uploading to the Google Earth Engine, sharing small data set, web mapping, shapefile someone specifically asked for it, legacy systems, because already people are using or government authorities are doing the safe, using the safe file. So GeoPackage is for the large projects, multiple layers, and no data loss, right? So thank you. So this is a very quick video. So I thought that at least the people who are new in GIS and in data special, working in the special and non-special data, so you should know about these things. All things are doable. It's only uh, what is your requirement, where means what kind of activities you are trying to do. So you can search on internet, ChatGPT, Claude, so you can get a lot of information about this. The only thing is that you should understand if you are working on data and GIS data, special data, and non-special data. So how things work and how to integrate. So my purpose is my earlier videos. I'm doing a lot of GIS and water related activities. So I want to integrate that. So there will be it may take some time. So but thing is that I want you to get to make a habit to do some research or to write some codes, because even nowadays we have writing code is much easier than earlier. So you please take advantage of it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you.